Diverse arts provided support to enable participants to produce their own music, music promos, comedy shorts and a short fly-on-the-wall documentary.
Square, everyone hangs out to do chess, it's kitchen. Hello!
Why, aye man?
They worked with a group from a homeless shelter in Rhyl to create a music video. As well as producing the music video, the young people wrote and recorded the song, which was inspired by their own experiences.
Why do I feel the need to always be in pain?
Day to day, all I do is try to find my way, make a difference in my life. It's everything I want, it's everything I need. I won't give up this fight until I find my destiny. So now
The documentary charts the difficulties the young people face with motivation, but it also shows how they enjoyed the creative process.
Used to think I was the same, but now I'm living to the max. I'm gonna work hard, play harder than relax.